Good morning, students. Welcome back to biology classroom once again. I hope all of you watched the last video. Today I will discuss chapter 3, the important portion. So look at your book. You will learn which point actually I will marks, because your question will be MCQ type, so no need to learn all this portion. So first of all, invertebrates do not have backbones. So actually backbones are absent in invertebrates. Next, first phylum Porifera. पोरिफेरा का मतलब क्या है? पोरास मीन्स पोर, मतलब क्या बोले पोर, एंड द फेरी मीन्स बियर. सो विच काइंड ऑफ ऑर्गेनिज्म actually carry pores with them? They are porifera. First point is here. Body is perforated with numerous pores. मतलब body is totally bounded by a numerous pores. It also has one or more large side outlets for water. So actually pores जो होता है, these pores actually help to collect the water. ये outlets जो water का होता है, इस outlets को हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? Oscula. एंड द सिंगुलर में है ऑस्क्यूलम. सो क्वेश्चन देख के घबरा मत जाना. ऑस्क्यूला और ऑस्क्यूलम हम दो वर्ड ही यूज कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट, फाइलम नीडारिया और सिलेंटरेटा. फर्स्ट, a central gastrovascular cavity that is known as coelenteron. coelenteron. यहाँ पे वो साइलेंट हो जाएगा. प्रोनाउंसिएशन इज coelenteron. So a central gastrovascular cavity that is known as coelenteron is found in the phylum Cnidaria. Next, phylum Platyhelminthes. इसमें क्या पढ़ना है? Platyhelminthes, the organism which belong Platyhelminthes group or phylum, they are hermaphrodite in nature. Means they have both male and female reproductive organs occur in the same individual. So act like hermaphrodite because they have both reproductive organs. Next, phylum Nematoda. इसमें कोई ऐसा कोई important portion नहीं है. Next, phylum Annelida. Body is metamerically segmented externally by transverse groups and internally by septa. इस septa के नीचे दाग लगा देना, हम actually भूल गए. Internally the body is separated from each part by septa. Annelida का मतलब क्या है? Annulus मतलब ये रिंग लाइक सेगमेंटेड वॉर्म्स. मतलब बॉडी का हर पार्ट इज रिंग लाइक शेप्ड. दे कंबाइंड, एक दूसरे के साथ जोड़ जोड़ के रिंग लाइक स्ट्रक्चर बना देता है. और हर रिंग के बीच इंटरनली ये सेप्टा है जो नॉर्मली दो रिंग को फ्यूज करता है. नेक्स्ट, लोकोमोटरी ऑर्गन्स आर सेगमेंटली अरेंज पेयर्ड लैटरल appendages, पैरापोडिया और चिटिनियस, सिटी और चिटी. इसके नीचे दाग लगाना. सो द लोकोमोटरी ऑर्गन ऑफ एनिलिड्स, these are known as chitinous, city or chitty. Chitinous means their false leg are sticky in nature. Parapodia, para का मतलब helper, podia मतलब leg. तो नॉर्मली जो हेल्पर लेग है फॉर लोकोमोशन, देयर चिटिनियस, सिटी और चिटी. नेक्स्ट, फाइलम आर्थ्रोपोडा. आर्थ्रोपोडा का ये पोर्शन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. cilia are basically absent. Next, there is a tough outer covering on the body of arthropods called exoskeleton. So exoskeleton is specifically found in the phylum Arthropoda. So what is exoskeleton? The outer tough covering of arthropods that is known as exoskeleton. Next, बॉडी कैविटी इज हीमोसिल. हीमोसिल का मतलब क्या है? फिल्ड विथ ब्लड. बॉडी का जो अंदर वाली कैविटी है दैट इज फिल्ड विथ ब्लड, दैट्स व्हाई दे आर हीमोसिल. And the coeloms are reduced to spaces of the genital and excretory organs. And between the body cavity, coelom are reduce the space of the genital and excretory organ. So point को इस तरह से याद करना. In case of phylum Annelida, Arthropoda, their body cavity is filled with blood. That's why they are hemocoel. And the coelom is a part which actually help to reduce the space internally of the genital and excretory organs. और कुछ पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है. Next, Arthropoda is divided into following subgroups. Crustacea. Important question is respiration by gills. So which insects are belong from Crustacea group? They respire by gills. एग्जाम्पल बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ना, बार बार बोल रहा है. बी केयरफुल अबाउट द एग्जाम्पल स्टूडेंट्स. क्लास Myriapoda. 1 or 2 pairs of legs are present there. So the Myriapoda, they have segmented body and 1 or 2 pairs of legs and respiration by trachea. So which insects belongs to Myriapoda group, or they respire by trachea. Next, Insecta. Again, respiration by trachea, and they have 3 pairs of legs and 2 pairs of wings. इसके नीचे दाग लगाना, by mistake हम भूल गए. 3 pairs of legs and 2 pairs of wings, especially found in Insecta group. So which insects belong from Insecta group? They have 3 pairs of legs and 2 pairs of wings. These are the special character of this group. And respire by trachea. Next, last point is Arachnida. Respiration by trachea, book lungs or book gills. So their respiratory organs are either trachea, book lungs or book gills. तो तीनों के अंदर हम कोई भी एक नाम दे सकते हैं. Next, phylum Mollusca. Body is divisible into an anterior head, a ventral muscular foot, a hard dorsal visceral mass. The entire body is covered by a fold of the thin skin. मतलब total body का जो outer skin है, that is covered by a fold thin skin, that is named, मतलब that is called mantle, which secretes a hard calcareous shell of 1 or more pieces. So normally, which organism belongs to the phylum Mollusca? Their entire body is covered with a thin skin that is known as mantle. Respiration through gills called Ctenidia. So which organism belongs Mollusca group? They respire through gills called Ctenidia. And the last phylum is Echinodermata. Body wall is covered with a spiny, hard, calcareous plates that forms a rigid or flexible endoskeleton. So exoskeleton is found especially Arthropoda. Same way, endoskeleton is found in Echinodermata group or phylum. Next, the locomotory organ of Echinodermata is tube feet or podia. Excretory organ is absent. So in the total phylum, in case of Echinodermata, they have excretory organs. The excretory organs are absent. So student, already I have marked the important portion. So you will follow the important portion only. No need to learn all these points because your question will be the MCQ type. So I hope all of you understood. So for today, up to this portion.